Welcome to Carolina Fun Factory, your go-to hub for bounce house rentals in town. Let's turn your events into unforgettable adventures with Carolina Fun Factory. At Carolina Fun Factory, we specialize in providing a wide range of bounce houses for all occasions. From birthdays to community gatherings, our bounce houses are the spark for fun-filled moments. Quality is paramount at Carolina Fun Factory, ensuring our bounce houses are safe, clean, and ready for endless enjoyment. We take pride in delivering top-tier service, making your events stress-free and memorable. Our friendly team is committed to ensuring your satisfaction, making your bounce house rental experience seamless and joyful. Your happiness is our priority, and we're here to make your event a fantastic success. Whether it's a small family gathering or a big celebration, Carolina Fun Factory has the perfect bounce house for you. Let's elevate the excitement with our vibrant and engaging options that bring life to every event. We've got you covered. Timely delivery and professional setup are all part of our service. Rest assured, our team ensures your bounce house is set up for a day filled with laughter and fun. Ready to amplify your event with Carolina Fun Factory? Reach out to us today at 910-986-4774 or visit our website at www.carolinafunfactory.com to book your next bounce house experience. Carolina Fun Factory, Inc., where each event transforms into a bouncing paradise, and every bounce brings joy to Carthage.